Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a YouTube channel in vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. As first up, you gotta log into your vidIQ account. Now go ahead and go to the bottom left right here. Just click on your account, and then go to click on channel settings. And then in here, all you got to do is just click on remove this channel. Yes, I want to remove this channel. And then once that's done, all you got to do is just connect your YouTube channel right here, or go ahead over to optimize and then go ahead and connect your channel from here. Okay, now just like how you did it on adding your channel from vidIQ, just go ahead and basically follow the little prompts once again. And there you have it. Just make sure that you sign into a different account if you want to change it. But that's just basically, that is how you change your YouTube channel in vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.